Hey guys, happy Monday morning. I promised you guys a video to show you how to do some of these moves, so that's exactly what I'm going to do. I will show you full-blown and modifications to try to make it easier. The whole thing is to make sure to engage your core. Make sure to protect that lower back no matter what you're doing. Our first move is the reverse crunch. So I'm going to come back where you guys can see me. All right. You're going to lay back on the floor, get those feet up in the air. Those hands, if you put them down, oh, you guys can see this. If you put them down right here, just make sure you're not using them to push your butt up. But I want you to use those abs and lift, pulling in. Those knees I don't want you coming all the way back. I just want you to baby lift. Baby lift. This is more of your modification. You can touch those feet down and lift, or if you want to make it a little harder, lift those legs straight up in the air like that. Okay, that's your reverse crunch. Okay, Russian twist. You're going to sit back nice and tall. You're going to take those abs back into that spine again. You're going to come down, elbow, 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 elbow. There's not really a modification for that move. That's the simplest way to do it. Now, if you want to challenge yourself, grab a weight and take it down and down. If you want to challenge yourself a little bit more, get those feet up in the air. Move 3, easy, 40-second plank. Now, hands and knees will work. You're pulling those abs in, you're keeping that back nice and straight. What I want you to do is to at least walk back to that 45-degree angle, okay? So your abs are engaged more. Go ahead and drop those knees down, lift it up. You're nice and straight. You're in one flat line. Most of your weight's over those wrists, over those hands, okay? 40 seconds, piece of cake. I know you guys got this. Fourth move is a mountain climber. Same thing, you're going to be in a plank. You're going to bring knee to chest, knee to chest, knee to chest. You can modify knee to chest, knee to chest, knee to chest, okay? I want you to engage those abs. This is all about the abs. Last move is the scissors. We're going to get those feet up in the air, directly over your hips. You're just going to reach down towards the ground, back up, alternating, back up, alternating, back up. And that's it. Simple piece of cake. You got 20 reverse crunches, you got 30 Russian twists, a 40-second plank, 30 mountain climbers, and 20 scissors. I would like to see you guys give this a try and post on our group how you did. All right, if you need more help, hit me up and let me know. Peace out.